Well, I'll be damned, that's annoying. I've worked out how to reduce the noise from these lights by just bringing down the ISO, shutter speed a little bit. So it still flashes, but just not as bad. Look forward to seeing this later. Okay, so let's get straight into this. This is a big job. So a complete dechrome on this vehicle. So that's the whole front end. The sides, we're leaving these. I've got these to do as well, which is going to be, it's going to be fun in itself. We've got the bottom sections to do, all of these round here, and then the same again this side. So really, really nice, really nice car. We've got the Akrapovic exhaust system, obviously based on the awesome 2-litre turbo from the Volkswagen Audi group. Really popular engine. Love this color as well. So I'm going to be taking you through a complete dechrome of this vehicle. Right then, on one side, I'm going to run it with your finger like so. So we're tacking it on. See, I'm keeping the backing on as well, so I've got tension on this, because that tension, we don't want too much, it's just to keep it taut, look. So it's not too much, it's just to keep it taut. And it's as quick as that. So then what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna nip off, keeping away from the car, nip off that bit. Nice scrap there. And now what we'll do here, I'm going to pull it back, and I've got a couple of centimeters, 3 centimeters, and I'm not going to really stretch it. I'm going to give it a fair cold stretch and get that round, and you can see what's going to happen here. So make sure you don't get any creases, because you've put tension into it. You will get a few creases there, but that stretch round there is really important. Use your little foot. Because what it does is it contorts it to this section here. So now I can blast that with a bit of heat, or shall we say, give it a kiss, not blast. Give it a kiss of heat, take the tension out of those insides, and then straight down like this. Like that. And now I know that's a nice one-piece trim. There's no tension because I've released it, and this will stay for the long haul. I'm going to run my finger along the top. What I'm doing here, I'm hoping this can see this. So it's a thin piece, and what I'm doing, let me show you, I'm bending it. Now, temperature in here is a good 25 degrees, so I'm not having to use excess heat. Now, look, watch. Move this down. I am bending it to the shape that I want it to be. See that? Like so. Here at the end of the door, make sure it's not going to snag. What I'll do is take it off, and I'm just going to pull it round, cold stretch, because then I know there isn't excess stretch in there. Like so, cold stretch. And that is one piece. You can see how quick I've done that. Now cutting it is a very different ball game. So what I tend to do, get my heat gun. I'm going to smooth it with my finger. Like this, frame it. And then we're gonna have to do one neat trim, but you're not gonna get this perfect. So what we're gonna do is cut off good length, like so, making sure that it's wide enough. Again, you'd be surprised how handy it is having these. You think you'd be able to just do this anywhere, but you really can't. Okay, right, I'm hoping that this actually captures this. I'm trying to have a look on the screen. Looks like it will, because if it does, it'll be excellent footage. So, flat pieces, slight ridge around the top, definite ridge around the bottom. So this is how we do it. Piece on, nice and stress-free, like so. Best squeegee, as I always say, is your finger. Get it around this top edge. So it's around that top edge, get it around this bottom edge. Now what we're gonna do, move over a little bit. I want you to pick it back up. So we're gonna pick back up and we're gonna really tuck on that edge. Bit of a crease there, so we're gonna get that crease out. So there you can see it, super close, can't get any closer. That is not bad at all. Very, very clean dechrome work. And around here, nice. So there we go. I've framed it round now. Be interesting to see how difficult. Now, where this is going to get difficult is, let me show you the other side. Is in here. As you can see, you've got quite a big step in there. So I've got to push the vinyl in without overstretching it. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to bring it off the window. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do is I'm pushing the vinyl this way. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm pushing the vinyl. I'm pushing it in the direction. So I'm almost leaching this excess in here, because what I don't want to do is get my finger and just go bang in there, because that's not going to last. So I'm leaching the excess, and I'm just going to keep doing that until I get to where I want to be. Here we go. That looks good. Now I know I haven't took all the stretch from here. I've took it from up here, which is quite important to this section here. Now what I can do now is start to take the tension off this section with my relief cuts. So what I can do, keeping away from the glass, one relief cut, another one here. Nearly cut myself in the process as well. In fact, did cut myself, but luckily just a surface wound. And then I can go again. And we're just gonna keep leaching it in until we get right up to the piece where I need to be. Before I even take off the lining, we're going to put a bit of tape around here. Would help if I was ready for this. So I'm going to put just a little tape, so I'm leaving a small gap, maybe 1/2 centimetre all the way around, because I don't want it to stick too much to the bodywork. So it just gives me, what this tape does is it lowers the surface area around, surface that the vinyl can stick to, so it makes it easier for me to manipulate what's going on. Now what I want to do is hook the vinyl under here and stretch over the top. In theory, this shouldn't take too long. I would imagine the cutting of it will take longer. So we're going to see if I'm correct or if I'm wrong. Always handy to have a gun like that sticks. I've never done a dechroming video before, but do these all the time. This is a very popular service. It's also nowhere near as cheap as people think, because at the end of the day, there's not really much you can do with these. Having the black line packs from the factories costs an absolute fortune. What am I doing with my squeegee? Now this is my problem, I keep losing stuff. Okay, so anyway, straight in. What we're going to do, you're going to get your piece and we're going to hook it right there. So what I've done is I've hooked it there. And then what I'm going to do, remembering that it's quite warm in here, I'm going to get rid of this gun, it's in my way. Get rid of my gun. And we're going to go for a cold stretch, or should we say a warm stretch. And we're going to contort this across this piece. Right then, main piece is round. Now there's a little section here, see that? Right there. Now what I'm going to do, got my jewel cutter, I'm going to measure, I've got a tool for every eventuality, I'm going to measure this piece right here, maybe just slightly larger than it, and then I'm going to lay a couple of strips right in there. So what I'm going to do, come to my piece, jewel cutter, and what we're going to do is cut 2 strips. There's one. In here like so. It just covers, and I know that there's no tension on this piece. It's super neat.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits, I build tall, never capping space, I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Okay, so here she is, all complete. So we've got the front grille, round the windows. Not bad at all. Really, really not bad. End of the doors, top sections. We've got the roof bars. We've got these lower sections down here. This band around the rear bumper. Look at that nice Acra Povik exhaust titanium, and then obviously the same on the other side. And of course, this spoiler section. So you know what? Overall, what a difference that's made to the vehicle. Just what a difference. Some of it's not perfect. I already pre-warned the customer that some of it would be very difficult to do. And there we go, there we have it. All done, all complete. Customer should be here in the next 45 minutes.